What's going on, guys? I'm here with a quick video showing you how you can tap into your ZF6 speed transmission in order to get temperature readings. Usually you see online that you would need to weld a fit-in into the pan. When you do that, then you'll need to do a transmission flush as well. So it adds a lot of cost to something that, should be quite simple. So I actually found this out on Ford forum. Can't remember exactly who, but I'll put credit in the description below. So all you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to jack up the car, passenger side, so the left hand side of your car. You come underneath here and you just come here to the transmission like so, and up here, that torx head right here. So this is actually used, I believe, as for Ford technicians to do a pressure test on the ZF. This is just a T27 torx head. What I did is I used an Allen key, got in there, used a pipe, cracked it, and then got my T27 Allen, and then I just unscrewed that like so. And this, I believe, is I can't exactly remember what the thread is. I think it's 1/8. It's the typical thread that a lot of manufacturers use for gauges and stuff. So that means your gauge sensor will just screw straight in there, and then you can run your wiring all up through the car wherever you want to. So I've got the sensor wire, or the sensor in there, and then the wire in here where I can plug it up to my gauge, and then I just run it to the inside of my car, and then you've got nice, simple and basic ZF temperature readings. No need to weld the pan, no need to do flushes or anything. If you found this video informative and you liked it, be sure to subscribe, comment, and do all that stuff. Thanks, guys.